reported about the River Sal yesterday. Some time back we had a notice from the NGT, National Green Tribunal, that we go for an inspection of River Sal, we identify how many nalas are discharging into the River Sal, what is the status of River Sal, and give a report accordingly. So yesterday the entire team from the municipality and all the concerned departments had gone, and we at least identified 4 nalas that were directly discharging into the River Sal. What we are supposed to do is we will give a report to the DMA. They have given us a deadline. What is the date? 20th of this month. That we are supposed to send the report to them, and the DMA is the nodal officer. And then they will ask the concerned agency or whoever is to look into the matter and to get it cleaned. But as a local urban body, we are supposed to give them a report. How many nalas are discharging? What is the status of the nalas? Unfortunately, yesterday I think that's what
four nalas we had identified.
Each departments did not come.
One is Sewerage Corporation, and the other one was of Water Resources Department. The two were the principal stakeholders in the sense that these nalas are administered by them. So, despite writing communication, despite giving them advance notice, both didn't bother to.
They have not come.
No representation from
them. Even we have written to them, in fact, for that. In fact, there has been a lot of directives given to the councils, various councils, corporations, by the Solid Waste Management Corporation, by our DMA. And there has been a lot of thrust on the segregation of the solid waste, segregation of the waste that is generated, household waste and the other waste. So what we have done is, and we have been asked to identify the bulk waste generators. So bulk waste, by bulk waste we generally mean all those things which are more than 100 kilos who are generating the waste. So we have now targeted mainly the hotels. And the next would be also to look at the party halls which are generating this kind of waste. Also, the government quarters, PWD quarters, electricity quarters, whereby the waste generated is more than 100 kilos. Even the waste where it was mixed, we have not picked up their waste. We have informed them that we will not pick up their waste, and we have done accordingly. Today, the things have changed a bit. Many of them have started segregation. And now we have told them that on Tuesdays and Fridays we will pick up their dry waste. Rest of the days wet waste would be compulsory. Now before that, I think all of you are aware that we had also sent a notice to all of them, and it was a public notice also, that the bulk waste generators to be identified, and all the bulk waste generators, they have received a notice to segregate their waste. Next week I would also like to call upon a meeting of the hotel owners, now that we have targeted them, but I will also call them separately, again asking them for the cooperation. I'm also asking the members of the Indian Medical Association to come, because lot of our people have told us that there is lot of medical waste also that is mixed in the regular garbage that they are picking up.